Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get in dental school step by step. Start by mapping prerequisites, GPA goals, and DAT timing so you have a clear plan. Focus on steady grades, consistent clinical exposure, and meaningful extracurriculars. Build relationships with mentors and faculty for strong letters. Track deadlines and iterate your application to reflect growth and genuine motivation for dentistry. In this segment, prioritize consistent study habits and smart course choices to maintain a competitive GPA. Allocate weeks for DAT prep with full-length timed practice exams and review errors carefully. Use targeted review on weaker areas and simulate test conditions. Consider tutoring for specific topics if needed. Remember that steady improvement and reliable scores matter more than last-minute cramming when applying to dental programs. Build a meaningful experience profile with shadowing, clinical hours, and community service that demonstrates sustained commitment. Keep a detailed log of activities, roles, and lessons learned to craft concise application entries. Seek strong, specific letters of recommendation from faculty and clinicians who know your work. Tailor each school application to program strengths and be honest about your journey while highlighting resilience and practical skills.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.